Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create easy, simple, quick coloring pages for a coloring book. I'm not teaching you how to do it from scratch. I am going to show you some ways you can easily do it, get it done in less than 15 minutes by using your resources, okay? So if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I drop a new video. So the first thing we are going to look at is Creative Fabrica, right? Just going to type in coloring pages, and you can see they have coloring pages here, different kinds, different shapes, all kinds of different stuff for kids. I did go ahead and buy one that was $1. And if you have an account with them, you can go to your account and go to your downloads. And I did a Spaceman coloring page, which I already downloaded and uploaded in Canva. But I wanted to show you that they do have coloring pages. Also on Creative Market, you can look up coloring pages. They are a little bit more expensive for certain packs, but they do have, like this one, it's coloring page packet for $25 by Penguin House, and it has lots of different fantasy pages. These are super cute. These would be awesome and amazing coloring books for kids if you could stick with a theme. Okay, these are awesome coloring pages. So here's your 8.5 by 11 on Canva. Once you purchase your sheets from Creative Fabrica or coloring pages or Fiber or wherever you may find them on the internet, check your license agreements. So this one is just like a little space, and you can write something else on it, or you can leave it just like this in the background for your coloring pages. Remember, I told you guys you can do that little the little angle here on the side of the page if you wanted to, just like in the sketchbook. If I wanted to add just a little something else to the page so it doesn't look as plain, that's something you can do. But this is a coloring page, all right? So I'm going to show you also how to create a coloring page here on Canva. So just going to type in the elements, I'm going to type in dinosaur. Here we have a dinosaur, and we can make this dinosaur into a coloring page. Let's see if they have rocks. So that's just the outline. So we have a dinosaur, and let's see, maybe these rocks are better. Then we have like some rocks. I wanted to delete it. I made more. Got some rocks there. Let's see. Clouds. Get a little cloud in there. Make it a little bit smaller. Duplicate that. Flip it. Go the other way. So we got some clouds in there. See if we can find another small dinosaur to put on that page. And I may make that rock a little bit bigger. So you know when you click on this, you can see stuff like that. And you can see, I see this little dinosaur egg here. It's like an egg going in the background. I think I'm gonna duplicate this rock and kind of like put one down here. So let me grab dirt. Let's see what, can we get some dirt? Outline of some dirt. Probably not. So let's use this. So it kind of looks like, there's dirt down there. Bring the dinosaur down just a little bit. Little egg in the back. Got your clouds. And you got you a coloring sheet here. Simple. Okay? Different little elements, and you got your little coloring page for kids. And kids pretty much don't care, especially younger kids. They just see something and they're going to color it. So this is a quick and easy way to create your coloring pages for your journals, books, or whatever you decide to create. I hope this was easy for you guys to explain. I just want you to be able to open your eyes and expand on things and not make it so difficult, because some of the things that you want to achieve and get done can be done simply. Note that I am not showing you from a professional standpoint. I'm showing you to the point where anyone can do this type of stand. You could just start this way and end up getting all of your designs created by a graphic designer. But if you just want to start and try it out, this is an easy, simple way for you to be able to start doing coloring books. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you more than I love this video. Peace.